The objective of this lesson is to learn how to merge cells in Excel. So we have a table here and we're going to select, for example, these data points, these 6 cells, and we're going to try to do different merge types. So if you go to home, you have this icon and you click here, you have 4 options to merge cells. The first one is merge and center. What merge and center will do, it will merge all your cells, it will center the text, and it will only keep the text that is on the top and most left. So in this case it's John. So I click on this, I say OK, and as you can see, only John is kept and the rest is deleted and John is in the middle. You have another option like this, which is only merge cells. It does the same thing, but it doesn't center the text. So when you click on it, same thing happens, but the text is not centered. Then you have the second option here, which is merge across. What merge across will do is that for every row, it will keep the text that is most left, it will delete the other one, and it will merge the cells. So let's try it. If I do this, I'll say OK, OK, and OK. And as you can see, I got John, Bob, and Mark, and the results are gone. And then you have the last one, which is unmerged cells, which is if I have some merged cells like this, and I click here, I will unmerge them. But the text that was there before doesn't come back. Now, another way to merge cells is to click here under home in this arrow, and then you go to alignment and you have merge cells. But this merge cell is only equivalent to the one that merge your text and keep it on the left. So all the other options will not be available there.